In this video, I will show you how to leverage Perplexity AI for in-depth true crime case research. I'll start by heading to the Perplexity Pro home screen, which is the perfect starting point for gathering real-time legal updates and scanning the latest news headlines. I click directly into the search bar to begin entering my inquiry. For this research, I'm typing a prompt that asks for a comprehensive summary of the Corey Richins verdict from March 2026, specifically requesting the list of charges and her sentencing date. I click the arrow button to let the engine begin its work. This indicates that Perplexity is scanning the latest public records, court documents, and legal news to provide a factual, up-to-the-minute report. This process is much faster than manual searching, as it synthesizes multiple sources into one cohesive answer. As the response generates, we see a clear breakdown of the Utah jury's decision. The AI reports that Corey Richins was found guilty on all counts, including aggravated murder and insurance fraud for the 2022 death of her husband. It also pinpoints her upcoming sentencing date for May 13, 2026, providing a perfect summary of the case's current status. Using this tool allows me to get high-level overviews and specific data points in seconds, making it an essential asset for any true crime researcher. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.